In this video, I'm going to show you the 27 amazing benefits and home uses of orange peels. Orange fruit is the best known source of vitamin C, which is good for our health and skin care as well. However, most of the benefits of the orange are in the skin itself. You will be amazed after knowing the stunning benefits of orange peels. Most of us who eat oranges normally throw away the peel, but what many of us are unaware of is that the peels are loaded with highly nutritious compounds that are beneficial for our health. Orange peels contain more than 60 types of flavonoids and over 170 different types of phytonutrients, in addition to being rich in various pectins, vitamins, minerals and fibre. Here are the top 27 health benefits of orange peels, which you might think twice before discarding the peels next time. Number 1. Orange peel benefits for weight loss. Those who wish to lose weight can significantly benefit from orange peels. These are low in calories and abundant in dietary fibre, which makes them an excellent food for weight loss. Furthermore, these also supply you with an ample amount of vitamin C, which helps in burning fat. Thus, orange peel benefits you by ensuring proper utilisation of calories and eliminating the excess of body fat, which is essential for losing weight. Number 2. Orange peels protect your teeth. Orange peel benefits in keeping your smile intact. It has a potent antibacterial property that prevents the buildup of bacteria in your mouth and prevent dental cavities. Also, limonene present in the peels acts as a natural solvent and naturally whitens your teeth. Number 3. Fight cancer. Orange peel fights a large number of cancers such as skin, lung, breast, stomach and colon cancers. It also reduces the risk of liver cancer. This may be due to its antioxidant protein. The peel also contains substances which protect against cancer formation and its development in various organs of the body. Number 4. It's great for cleaning surfaces and floors. Orange oil is used for this purpose, where it can be extracted naturally in the house using this method. Place orange peels in a glass container and pour it onto a quantity of white vinegar. Then place it in the refrigerator. After a few weeks, filter the vinegar from the crusts and use the resulting mixture in cleaning for different surfaces and floors. Number 5. It can clean and sterilize the kettle. Boil the orange peel in the kettle and leave it for about 15 to 30 minutes, then rinse the kettle. You will find that all the impurities that have been stuck are gone and the kettle will smell fresher. Number 6. To fight the signs of aging. Orange peel contains a high percentage of antioxidants that help fight free radicals responsible for the appearance of wrinkles and skin sagging. Mix a tablespoon of orange peel powder with oatmeal powder and honey to get a homogeneous mixture. Apply this mask on your face and neck for 30 minutes and then rinse with cold water. Number 7. Orange peel boosts your digestive health. Orange peel is known to contain high amounts of dietary fibre, which is good for your digestive health. The high amount of fibre in orange peel benefits in regulating your bowel movement and ensures proper digestion of essential nutrients. Thus, you can add orange peel extract to your diet to promote digestion and regularity. Number 8. Orange peel benefits in lowering blood sugar levels. Orange peel benefits people who have diabetes by maintaining the level of blood sugar. It is because the peels are known to contain pectin, a fibre which plays a crucial role in regulating the blood sugar level. Studies have shown that the treatment done with orange peel extract can prevent diabetic high blood pressure. Number 9. To freshen the breath. It can be used as a breath freshener by gently rubbing the gums with fresh orange peels. Number 10. It can reduce bad cholesterol. Orange peel contains a large amount of soluble fibre as it contains flavonoids, so it helps to reduce the proportion of bad cholesterol in the blood. Also, it helps to maintain normal blood pressure levels. Number 11. Orange peel strengthen your heart. Orange peel is rich in flavonoids known as hesperidin, which plays a crucial role in reducing the cholesterol level in the body and lowering blood pressure. The spongy white stuff between the skin and the fruit also contains strong anti-inflammatory properties that prevent inflammation in blood vessels, thus reducing the risk of heart disease. Number 12. It clears up acne. Blend orange peel in a blender, mix with milk and apply on the acne, or squeeze the juice from the peel onto the pimple. The phenolic antioxidants in the bitter orange peel can act effectively against acne-causing bacteria as any standard antibiotic. Since the peel has more vitamin C than the fruit flesh, using orange peel juice on your acne can also reduce the pain and swelling. If you use orange peel for a long time, the flavonoid in the orange peel can reduce sebum production and prevent a build-up of oil and dirt in the skin pores. This in effect prevents the acne. Number 13 prevents constipation. That's due to the high content of dietary fibre, which facilitates bowel function and supports the functions of the digestive system, which prevents and treats constipation. Number 14, it keeps inflammation away. Chronic inflammation is a major cause of various degenerative diseases, including cardiovascular diseases, Alzheimer's, diabetes and cancer. Again, the flavonoids in the orange peels are the true stars here. They can easily permeate through the membranes. This is called bioavailability, and it's inspired researchers to study the potential use of flavonoids in the prevention and treatment of various diseases. One notable thing they found is that these flavonoids in the orange peel can act as an anti-inflammatory drug. Number 15, it helps to get rid of headaches. If you suffer from migraines, boil the orange peel for 10 minutes and then drink its water. It has a sedative effect on the brain. Number 16, it can calm the nervous system and help you to sleep. Essential oils in orange peel have a calming effect that can be used to soothe nervous people and help them sleep. Number 17, it provides dietary fibre. Orange peels are high in dietary fibre, but no one wants to bite right into that thick and bitter peel. Fortunately, you consume the orange peel in powder form is a way to add more fibre to your diet. The peel consists of about 61 to 69% fibre, with a significant portion of that being a soluble fibre. That's about 19 to 22%, which is a great digestive aid. Number 18, the orange peel contains a large number of acids that may be used to get rid of some insects. Therefore, many companies specialised in the manufacture of pesticides extract using these acids. So if you suffer from insects in some corners of your house and do not want to use chemical pesticides, you can put orange peel in these corners and the insects will run away from the places where the peels are found. Number 19, to clean the microwave oven. Place the orange peel in the bowl of water and place it in the microwave oven. Run the microwave oven for about 5 minutes, remove the bowl and wipe the microwave oven with a sponge or clean cloth. You will find that all the dirt is easily removed. This is due to the volatile natural oils of orange peel. Number 20, to make a lip balm. Place equal amounts of sugar and orange peel powder into a bowl, add a few drops of almond oil, mix well until smooth. Leave it aside for 15 minutes and then apply it onto your lips. Number 21, orange peels can be used as an organic fertilizer for your home plants. One of the unexpected benefits of orange peels is that it can be used as an organic fertilizer because it's rich in nitrogen, which helps in the formation of plant leaves. It is also an important element that agricultural soil needs during cultivation. Number 22, you can soften brown sugar using orange peels. If you've left a bag of brown sugar in the pantry, it can lead to it being rock hard and going into clumps. The good news is that orange peels can prevent this. Just keep a few pieces of the peels with your brown sugar and the sugar will remain moist. If the sugar is already rock hard, place it into a container and spread through it some pieces of orange peels. You'll see that the sugar will return to its natural state of softness in just a few hours. Number 23, it can be used as a cleaning sponge for polishing stainless steel. Orange peel can be used as a sponge for cleaning and polishing because it is rich in essential oils that fight dirt and grease. Therefore, they are ideal for polishing porcelain and stainless steel. Number 24, orange peel helps to reduce the symptoms of morning sickness. Many pregnant women suffer from the problem of morning sickness and they do not know that the treatment of the problem exists in their refrigerator. The smell of orange peel for about 5 minutes contributes greatly to reducing the severity of the morning sickness symptoms. Number 25, hair care. Add crushed orange peel to some water and leave it in there overnight. From the following day you'll be able to add this mixture to your hair to help rid yourself of dandruff while cleaning and conditioning your hair at the same time. Number 26, it can shine wood. You can use the white underside of the orange peel to breathe new life into dull-looking wooden furniture. Simply rub it onto any wooden surface and give it a rinse with a damp cloth when you're done. The final one is number 27, bath oil. Extract the oil from the orange peels by grinding up the peels and fermenting them with vodka or alcohol for about 3 days. Strain the oil and add a few drops to your bath. Orange oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties as well as its ability to improve skin tone and texture. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the 27 amazing health benefits and home uses of orange peels. And if you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the health benefits of lemon water in the morning.